Elevate your daily routine with the ultimate convenience. Uncover the best under-sink hot water heaters that bring instant warmth to your kitchen or bathroom. Whether you're a savvy homeowner or a space-conscious renter, we've got you covered. Click the links in the description box to explore our top picks and transform the way you experience hot water. Now, let's get started. Camplux under-sink hot water heater. The Camplux under-sink hot water heater offers an efficient solution, holding 4 gallons of hot water under your kitchen sink. Designed for energy savings, it features built-in insulation, a glass-lined tank, and a thermostat control for temperature adjustments. This full-listed heater ensures safety with high-limit devices and provides hot water instantly. Easy to install on the wall or floor, it's a compact and elegant addition to your kitchen, promoting both convenience and style. With a 3-year limited warranty, it's backed by Camplux's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Biselong under-sink hot water heater. The Biselong under-sink hot water heater enhances your kitchen with instant hot water. This compact heater includes safety features like anti-leakage plugs and smart inverter technology for energy efficiency. With a fast recovery rate, easy knob temperature adjustment, and a compact design suitable for shelf or wall mounting, it's a versatile and convenient solution. This upgraded version boasts a thicker stainless steel inner liner for extended durability and improved insulation for energy efficiency, ensuring a reliable source of hot water in your kitchen. Thermomate under-sink hot water heater. The Thermomate under-sink hot water heater with a 2.5-gallon capacity eliminates the wait for hot water in your kitchen. Easy to install under the sink, this compact heater features an adjustable temperature range and quick recovery. The Incoli 800 stainless steel heating element and enamel coating contribute to its durability and insulation. With oil certification and a 3-year limited warranty, it provides safety and peace of mind. The gold porcelain lining enhances its insulation properties, making it an efficient and reliable addition to your kitchen. Kenuos under-sink hot water heater. The Kenuos under-sink hot water heater brings safety and durability to your kitchen. With a 10-liter capacity and 304 stainless steel construction, it resists corrosion and ensures a long lifespan. Featuring sensing temperature control, a rotary switch for temperature adjustment, and a leak-proof design, it combines ease of use with advanced technology. This energy-saving heater operates with an LCD screen display and provides constant temperature maintenance. With a compact size suitable for various installations, including under the sink, it's a versatile solution for on-demand hot water in your kitchen. Meefuns under-sink hot water heater. The Meefuns under-sink hot water heater delivers instant hot water on demand. With a powerful 3000 output, it heats water in just 3 seconds and maintains a constant temperature. Designed for safety, it includes multiple protection functions such as water and electricity, isolation, and over-temperature auto power-off. Easy to install under the sink or in the bathroom, it features an adjustable temperature range. So this compact and efficient heater, made of aluminum, enhances your comfort with a continuous and reliable hot water supply. Ideal for various applications, it's a convenient solution for a healthier and more enjoyable daily routine. Dive into the epitome of convenience with our curated selection of the best under-sink hot water heaters. Unleash instant warmth under your fingertips, redefining comfort one flow at a time.